Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a couple tips on how to land more voiceover clients. So you wanna be easy to find, you wanna have something to show, and you wanna have a flow. So voiceover is an internet-based profession these days. You have to have an internet presence because you want to be able to have clients be able to find you, and it helps with your credibility when they have things that they can go through to make sure that you are a working professional in the field. So I have a voiceover website that a lot of clients find me through, and across all of my business social media channels, my username is Nastasia Marquez, so I'm really easy to find if you just type in my name. And then also across all of those platforms, I have my picture somewhere for you to recognize me by. Even on my email sign-off, there's a little photo of me so you can recognize me and feel comfortable knowing who you're interacting with. So you want to be easy to find, you want to have something to show. When a client does reach out to you and they say, hey, I have this project going on and I'd like to discuss it with you, you want to have something in your portfolio that is related to their project if it's something that you're interested in working on, that they can get as a sample of what to expect working from you. Not all clients want you to audition. They want to talk to you about a long-term project or a very large project, and they want to just interact with you as a business person. So that being said, I have a whole portfolio of work that I have actually done, of videos, animations, video games, things like that, that I can put forth as case studies that I've done in the past. And then I also have a lot of demos for specific things. So I have a commercial demo, I have a video game animation demo, I have a corporate e-learning demo, I have audiobook demos, and then I have audiobook demos in the genres that I'm interested in reading for. So I'm able to pick from my slew of demos and present the one that is most relevant to my client right there so they can get an idea of what they can expect if they decide to work with me. And then finally, you want to have a flow. So let's say you book a meeting with a client to discuss the potential of working together. You want to bring something to the table other than just your voice. You want to bring your business person to the table because there's a lot more than just your voice that goes into a lot of the projects you're going to be working on. So you want to have an idea of what your turnaround time is normally and what they can expect, especially based off of the size projects that they're scouting you for. You want to know what your rates are going to be so they can know how to budget if they're going to be working with you. And then you also want to anticipate their needs and have answers that kind of make things go more smoothly, makes things move more efficiently. And this not only helps with the flow of the project and your own organization, but this helps the client really understand what it's like to work with someone, with a voice actor, and gives them an idea of what to expect. And it's much easier to blend your process with their process to really make this a team effort. And they tend to be very appreciative of that. And then that helps build trust in you as a working professional as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. If I said anything that you want me to elaborate on, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and good luck. Bye.